welcome back to the channel. We're here to watch episode 6 of Jujutsu Kaisen, After Rain. So, last time, Sukuna kind of gained control of Yuji's body and made him fight Megumi. You know, he tried to fight Megumi and he thought he was free, so he just thought he was going to do whatever he wanted. But luckily, Yuji was able to switch back, but because his heart wasn't in his body, you know, he died, or supposedly died. You know, it really didn't feel like a death. So we're gonna see now. I'm assuming he's just gonna reform his heart like he did with his hand and his fingers. But yeah, we got to see the old gang. We got to see Panda and Maki, and the crispy Chizu from the Jujutsu Kaisen movie. So we got to see them again. So they're second years now. So I guess the movie I guess took place a year before the season because they're second years now. So it's really cool getting to see them. But yeah, it looks like they're about to do the autopsy or whatever on Yuji, and I'm assuming he's gonna wake up either during it or right before it happens. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get into episode 6 of Jujutsu Kaisen.
さっきだっているな。
当たり前だ。こっちとらお前に殺されてんだぞ。
腕を直してやった恩を忘れるとはな。
その後心臓取っちゃったでしょうが。
Yeah, I was about to say he fixed my arm and then you ripped my heart out immediately after. I knew he was gonna throw that just because the way they animated it. It looked like it was, yeah. Oh, he's fast. Hey, you took too long. Yeah.
お前はつまらんな。
Oh.
ここはあの世ではない。俺の聖徳領域だ。
聖徳領域。
お前が条件を飲めば心臓を治し生き返らせてやる。
偉そうに。
Oh yeah, he said something trying to use the power of Sukuna without a pact or something like that.
条件は2つ。1、俺が啓発と唱えたら1分間体を明け渡すこと。
No,
この約
absolutely
束を
not.
忘れること。
Promise you'll forget this? Yeah, absolutely not.
もう二度と体は貸さん。
ならばその1分間誰も殺さんし、傷つけんと約束しよう。うざ。
信じられるか。
信じる信じないの話ではない。これは縛り。制約だ。守らねば罰を受けるのは俺。身に余る刺激を貪れば報いを受ける。それは小僧が身をもって知っているはずだ。
So if he breaks it, he'll be the one punished. But does it work in reverse as well? Like if he says the word?
何がしてえのかよくわからんけど。まあ生き返るためだしな。
He just got stolen, that's crazy.
無条件で生き返らせろ。そもそもて
Yeah.
めえのせいで死んでんだよ。
I still wouldn't, even though he promised not to hurt anybody.
今から殺し合って小僧が勝ったら無条件。
Don't do that. That's the same bet. You're gonna lose.
いいぜ。ボコボコに。
Yeah. Like you had to sneak a hit on him. You should have known you weren't gonna be able to beat him.
そんなわけで自分の任務を生徒に投げることもある。愛の無知。
それはサボりたいだけでは。
みんな優秀だよ。特に
Yeah,
3
you just
年
wanna
はか
suck
り
up.
2年乙骨。彼らは僕に並ぶ術師になる。
Wait, who's the third year?
ユージもその一人だった。
So he thought that Yuji was gonna be on the level of you two.
もう始めるけど、そ
We
こ
even
で見てるつもりか。
Alright, just like that. He's back.
おお、フルチンじゃん。
ユージ。おかえり。
So casual.
おっす。ただいま。
I mean, it's Gojo. Yeah, it would have been casual. I'd be like, oh, he's alive again.
いや、このままでいい。また狙われる前にユージに最低限の力をつける時間が欲しい。ショコ、悪いが記録上ユージは死んだままにしてくれ。
Yeah, let the world think he's dead, or the jujutsu world think he's dead.
交流会までには復学させる。
なぜ？
簡単な理由さ。和コードから青春を取り上げるなんて許されていないんだよ。みんなびっくりするかな。
That's cool. He really cares about his students, which I like that a lot. He's like, everyone's so stuck up. All the higher ups are so stuck up and things like that.
より封印することに心血を注ぐことをお勧めするよ。
封印？その手立てを。
特級呪物獄門鏡を使う。
Prison realm. So they're planning to seal Gojo in the prison realm. Okay. He said, I'm out. That's crazy. Imagine waiting a table and you just feel the bad energy.
どうが興奮するな。
And you're just like, I'm gonna quit. Just because I really don't want to go to that table.
ご注文はお決まりです。
Why'd you kill him?
あまり騒ぎ
Oh, dude got out just in time. Get up.
少なの指何本分の強さだ。
甘く見積もって8、9本分ってとこかな。
8 or 9 fingers.
その代わり五条悟はわしが殺す。
If he would have just got back up and ran out. I don't know why you crawled. So the volcano dude is about 8 or 9 fingers worth of Sukuna. Which Sukuna altogether would be 20 fingers? Yeah. So not half as strong, but he's almost halfway there. So could have some interview pet questions. Dude, Panda is messing her. Oh, he's literally just spinning her around. I thought they were running laps. I didn't realize she was actually running falling practice. I didn't realize she was actually running from him. I'd rather fight Panda than fighting her.
最強を教えてくれ。
お目が高い。
先生、自分で最強って言ってたけどね。
He did call himself the strongest, yeah. Is it wrong to call yourself the strongest if you are the strongest? Like, undeniably. I don't think it is.
わからん。そうだね。
The animation.
こっちはただ磁力をぶつけただけ。こっちは磁力を術式に流して発動させた呪術でねじったの。
つまりこれからちょびりぐな術式を身につけると。
いや、有事には呪術は使えないよ。基本的に術式は生まれながら体に刻まれているもの。
Because he wasn't born with. Okay.
大丈夫？
I mean.
いや、俺もサンダーとかファイヤーとかパワーボムとかできると思ってたから。
Power bomb or
できる
something.
でしょう。大似たか。
ダメだこら。レーガンとか挽回とか螺旋ガンとかドドンパとか。今は使えないだけ。
そのうち君の体には少なの術式が刻まれる。
I wanted to pull off a Kamehameha wave. Or he said Kamehameha, but yeah. That'd be me, honestly. Be like that episode of Slime when the dragon, the Dora? Yeah, when the dragon was fighting his niece. Just be spamming every anime attack you can think of.
怪我しても死んないよ。
いいから早よ早よ。
Don't blame me if you get hurt.
こもってなかったね、磁力。
なんで？
磁力の源は負の感情。
That's interesting.
怒りや恐怖に満ち
So
溢
that's
れ
what
ていたんだ。
Sukuna said too. He's like, you need to use more curse energy when you fight me.
こいつと一緒に。
Oh, it's Curse puppet.
可愛い人形。
可愛いか。
Assuming the principal made
学
it.
長特製の樹海だよ。
Curse corpse, not curse puppet. Gonna hit you any second now.
焦らない焦らない。そろそろだよ。
If someone says you'll see soon, that's when you hold it away from your face.
今は有事でも出せる程度の微弱な磁力に設定してあるけど、徐々に大きな出力を要求してくるから、常に気を抜かないようにね。
抜きたくても抜けねえよこれじゃ。
He's doing pretty, I mean, for never using curse energy before. I mean, he's already put it back to sleep, so
最初はアクション。
I shouldn't have said anything.
はい。イライラしても磁力は一定。
レイン先輩は2つ以上持ち歩くこととかザラですよね。どうしてるんですか？
パンダに持たせてる。
聞かなきゃよかったパート2。
Shouldn't have asked part 2.
術師とかもいるよな。
それは無理だろう。レアだし。飼いならすのに時間もかかる。見つけたら私に教えろよ。
カルパス1年分。
わからんな。お前あの時なぜ逃げ
Yeah.
た？宝の持ち腐れだな。
When someone as strong as like Sukuna and Gojo are like, why are you running? Like, stand up and fight. That kind of tells you something about yourself, that you're stronger than you think you are.
ツナツナ。
あ、なんだよ。
先輩、なんとかなりそうです。
See, you just gotta think outside the box, you know?
燃えるゴミが青だったの。私思ったわ。逆じゃないって。
Less explaining, more telling me which wire to cut.
君を信じるよ。
Yeah.
ああ、なんか話した気がするけど、思い出せねえんだよな。
そうか。
Yeah, he knows something's up. Were they not at the school?
止めて。
ここでですか？
先行ってて。
I thought Yuji was like in the basement of the school, but they're going to meet the principals, so were they not at the school? Well, if he's hiding them from the students and everybody to get him stronger, I guess he wouldn't be at the school. That couldn't make sense. Someone's about to attack him. That's like, why else would... Yep. I was about to say, why else would you get out in the middle of nowhere and be like, no, you can leave, I'm fine.
何者？
Alright, so that was episode 6. Pretty cool episode. A lot of exposition, you know, really just people talking. Well, there was them burning down that cafe, basically. The cursed spirits and Ghetto. But yeah, so Megami, you know, is getting stronger, you know. Just I was thinking the same thing, you know, when strong people, or, you know, in these shows when strong people are like, why did you run? You know, like, or just questioning something about you. That should let you know, like, you're probably a lot stronger. They can sense that you're a lot stronger than you think you are. Kind of like, you know, Gohan watching Cell and Goku fight. And Gohan's like, why aren't they going full power? You know, it's just because, like, you have a lot more strength within you. You just don't think that you have it. And it kind of just takes some, you know, practice, you know, just doing random things like what they were saying about him storing weapons. How only it's a rare technique that only a few people can do it. I mean, he's just never tried, you know, and he was instantly able to reach through the ground, and I guess he can store them in the like. I guess I don't know if he can store them wherever he wants to, or if it's like just like he can reach through whatever and pull it out, you know, kind of like a chest or something that's always with him wherever he's at. But yeah, so pretty cool. Yuji is taking the time to learn about curse energy. He has to keep the curse energy flowing into the doll, or the curse corpse, so it won't punch him in the face. I wonder how long it's going to take him to do it. He seems like almost like a prodigy, but I don't really know if you can credit that to Yuji, just because Sukuna is inside him, and Sukuna is just a super old curse. So things with curse energy probably come easier to him than they would to some other sorcerers. So that's going to be cool. Really looking forward to the exchange event. But like I said, yeah, just these episodes where, you know, the main characters are kind of just like talking to each other or their friends and just like getting stronger. Just some of the more interesting episodes to anime to me. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you next time.